Hey guys, so we are in the pit. We did a little bit of sprinkler upgrades here. I've got two of your traditional spinning sprinklers set up in a series now, running off the solar water pump. Today we are going to be assembling the water holder system. We will have 330 gallons of water storage in this thing, and hopefully you can hear this audio. It's kind of my only hope at this point. I think I'm recording off my nicer microphone that should hopefully not be picking up as much noise. So here we go. We're gonna start hauling barrels up the hill. I've got an action cam set up there in time-lapse mode, so I'm gonna verify that that's still working, and then we're gonna start assembling. Catch you in a bit. Hello. So we are back. Got all the stuff is moved up here. So now everything is up here. I'm going to start assembling everything, and then there's the action, and then there's the real boss over there. She decided that she didn't want to sit over in the truck anymore, and like I was just telling Katie, from up here you can see how much water those sprinklers are actually spreading out. I don't know, I'm a nerd, it's neat. We're actually going to try and bring life back to this dead shit. So you can see how high up we are here. It's quite a height gain. Hopefully, fingers crossed, those water pumps will actually be able to push that up here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to look into a new water pump setup, which, you know, it is what it is if it comes to that. This is all kind of flying by the seat of our pants stuff here, but hey, fun. Exciting. So I am going to start assembling everything here. I will probably cut in a parts list with everything that I eventually end up needing, but if you've ever done a plumbing project before, you know that you spend hours upon hours in the hardware or the plumbing aisle trying to make sure you have all the adapters and all the other fun crap. But I'll go over the basic concept once it's all assembled, and because this is, like I said, this is all experimental. So here we go. Learning things. So it turns out that these barrels have two thread styles, and I am just finding out about, which is kind of not really screwing me because I'll still be able to make do and get it going today. One has got a fine thread, standard thread, and the other one has a more aggressive thread, or excuse me, a less aggressive thread face, and there's a lot fewer twists in it, but it looks like those plugs that I just set down, well, it would be this one here. It looks like these ones have a knockout thing here, where I should be able to, it looks like maybe a 3/4 thread, so, or maybe even a garden, I don't think it's a garden hose thread, but it looks like it's a 3/4 thread on the inside here. So what I'm going to do is, for now, for my overflow, that's going to be in this hole right here. I'm going to put that plug back in and then just knock the hole out of it for the time being, and wait till the next time I have to run in and get an adapter for that. It'll be fine running out as is right now. It's not the end of the world, but I learned this. So got all the barrels are strapped together. Gonna be putting this I don't know what the hell you would call it, manifold, maybe not a manifold, but I'm gonna tie all these bottoms together. My first attempt is going to be to try and fill the water from this low side, now that we know that these threads are different, and then have that by me being, wow, my inlet and outlet there. But I guess we'll see. But yeah, so long story short, thread's different. Now I gotta get a flat bar and pop some of these other bung plugs open and then get them all turned around so that the correct thread is facing on the bottom. So I will check back in once progress develops. Okay, everybody, gonna go over this quick because I just got a message or a phone call from Katie, and she said that one of the animals threw up all over the floor and she can't get her big pregnant belly into the pantry to go ahead and get the paper towel, so we need to wrap this up quick. As you can see, we are holding water. The valve here, or whatever the hell, mixing area, seems to be doing good. We're filling up with water. Obviously this is the lowest end, it's got the most water in it, so she's filling up good. I kind of had hoped on staying around and watching. My plan is to put some T-posts in here so that the barrels don't run or slide or anything like that down the way. So we've got our water pump pumping. We've got 6 55-gallon drums for a total of 330 gallons of water storage. I've got it set up right now. We don't have enough water pressure built up, but I do have it open so that when the water pressure and that air is pushed out of there, I have one sprinkler set up here and another one at the base of the hill to start throwing water around. So I guess when we come back later to do a water test to see if this is here or if it's all broken and laying down at the base of the hill here, which hopefully it's not.